Tax planning is the most important part of all salaried and earning class people. And every year, most people do tax planning at year end only. But this process should start from the start of the new financial year, so we don't end up hurrying at the last moment. Also, instead of making one-time payments in tax saving options, we can spread it out over the year and protect ourselves from one-time payment burdens. Hi, and welcome to today's video. I am Nikhil Dhawan. I talk about financial and economic concepts on this channel and try to present them in an understandable way. In this video, we will discuss which tax slab will be better for you as per your income under new changes after 2023 budget applicable from financial year 2023-24. In budget 2023, tax slabs for the old regime remain unchanged, but the new tax regime, it was changed as per you can see on the screen. Like up to 3 lakh is exempt, between 3 to 6 lakh it's 5%, between 6 to 9 it's 10%, 9 to 12 it's 15, 12 to 15 lakh it's 20%, and over 15 lakh it's 30%. And only for the new tax regime, 87A rebate limit was increased from 5 lakh to 7 lakh. This means that if person taxable income is 7 lakh, he will have to pay zero taxes. Here I am talking about the taxable income, which excludes 50,000 standard deduction. So if a person is earning 7.5 lakh, he can choose new tax regime without thinking about anything. And suppose you are a kind of person who don't invest in tax saving options. In that case, new tax regime is for you, as you don't need to require any tax planning, and even this tax regime will be default tax regime. If you want to choose old regime, you will have to change it while filing ITR as per the new updates in the budget. If you are an employer, you can select your tax regime from the employer, which employer will use to deduct TDS. Still, you will have option to change this regime while filing ITR. But for business income people, you will have only one time to switch back to the old regime if you choose your new tax regime once. One misconception among many is that if you are under 30% tax slab, you will have to pay 30% direct. No, that's not how it works. Taxes are calculated on the incremental basis. Like if you're choosing new tax regime and have an income of 16 lakhs, you will have to pay 30% on 1 lakh incremental only, and before that 15 lakh you will have to pay in the incremental as per the slab. Let's see that with an example in Excel, which will help you understand which tax slab will be beneficial for you. I will attach Excel in description. Let's move to Excel. I have made this Excel as simple as possible. Here you can see the salary in the first cell and the deduction in the second, where you can put deductions which can include ATC, PPF, tax saving mutual funds, ELSS or ATC CD 1B contributions to our NPS, and also the HRA exemptions. So let's take an example. We have net income of 10 lakh. We saved 1.5 lakh in ATC. So here, if you see, better regime for you will come out of a new tax regime and save rupees 20,000. Similarly, if we take 15 lakh as salary, and suppose you take 5 lakhs the deductions, which can be 1.5 lakh ATC, 50,000 in ATC CD 1B, and 3 lakhs in HRA, then old tax regime will be better option for you with a saving of 37,500. So you can play with this Excel as per salary and decide which is better tax slab for you. With the new tax slab, most people will lose the habit of saving and investing. Still, it's recommended to keep some amount for long term along with the tax plan, even if you are part of new tax regime. I hope this video was informational for you and will help you decide which is better regime for you. Please comment if you have any doubts and I will rectify them. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel to get yourself updated with the future content. See you next time. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. Nikhil Dhawan signing off.